And hello there, 30 Minutes friends and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest for the 30 Minutes Fantasy. We have the Liber Swordsman. Yes, and as you can see in the box art, it is more like a Trojan Greek warrior, some sort of that stuff. And yes, and off to the side, here it is, the Liber, but totally in black colors, something new. Not really new because previously it was whole grain, something like that. And here it is, the silhouette one. And of course, here it is when you equip it. And finally, if you can cross upgrade it or into the gladiator. And off to the other side, here it is, front and back. And of course, some story about the 30 Minutes Fantasy and of course about the Liber Swordsman. Now, I guess this is something new because Liber finally has its own fire core. Yep. And after opening and seeing what's inside the box, we have the gold armor, the clear red plastic, and some parts for the silhouette. More parts for the silhouette here, and more parts for the swordsman armor here, and for the silhouette. And yeah, since this is silhouette one, most of the things that you'll see here will be very familiar from previous unboxings. And of course, here it is the instruction manual wherein it clearly says that yes, this is a fire core elemental for the Liber, which is I think a very first, since most of it will be most of the Liber silhouette ones are water, but this is the first fire elemental. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So starting off is with the A sprue, very similar for all the silhouette ones, but this time it's all black and red and clear red here. B sprue is again from the previous silhouette ones. Same with the C sprue here. Coming up with the D sprue, still the same. So very common, or rather it's you already saw this for the D2. Same with the E1 here and the E2. And of course, there's an F1, which is the clear red plastic, and the F2, which is a solid red. Now, this one here is for the armor for the swordsman, which is in all gold. And of course, this is the last of that armor gold for the swordsman. And there you have it, 30 Minutes Fantasy, folks. That was what's inside the box of the latest Liber Swordsman from the 30 Minutes Fantasy and the very first Liver Fire Element Core. Yes, because like I mentioned earlier before, most of the Liver 1 Silhouette ones, or sorry, the Liber Silhouette ones are water elementals. I think there was some thunder also, or sorry, lightning and ice, but commonly it is water, and most of the starter silhouettes for Rosen is fire, but this one and Liber is mostly water, but now it's fire, so it's something very new. And this is me, so we're saying if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.